it's empty. Here. I really want to switch on the light, but it's not working. Where's the keycard? Oh, there's a keycard. Good. Okay, everything works now. Come on. Have a look. Bedroom, toilet, and of course we got shower with hot and cold water, and also here's cute double bed. Yes, we have mini bar too. I think it is really efficient for us, and also we have dryer, electric kettles, and these 2 coffee cup water as a complimentary. Okay, what the best part? This one, I think. Look at this. We got a hammock too. Okay. Oh, it's so comfy. It's so comfy. Good. See? Namu River. We are thinking to have a breakfast tomorrow there. This is a Sarah Cafe. Right? Sure. Okay, my room tour is with motorbike. What is it? How do we call helmet? Oh my god. This is it.
So this is the end. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe or follow our channel. See you in next video.